Hello everyone, my name is Pratisha and today I'm going to talk about transaction. These are the topics I'm going to cover in this presentation. So what is transaction? A transaction is a unit of work that should be processed relatively without interference from the user and without loss of data due to failures. Example of transactions are withdrawing cash at an ATM, making an airline reservation, and registering for a course, etc. There are four types of properties. They are atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. We will see it one by one. What is atomicity? All parts of the transaction must be completed and committed or it must be abort and roll back. Consistency. Inconsistency. Each user is responsible to ensure that their transaction would leave the database in a consistent state. Isolation. It indicates that action performed by a transaction will be hidden from outside the transaction until the transaction terminates. Durability. If a transaction has been committed, the DBMS must ensure that its effects are permanently recorded in the database. Transaction states. A transaction state must be in one of the following states. Active. It is the initial state if a transaction execution of transaction starts in active states. Transactions remains in an active state till the execution is in process. Partially committed. When the last operation of a transaction is executed, it goes to a partially committed state. Here there is a possibility that the transaction may be abort or else it goes to committed state. Failed. A transaction goes to a failed state if it is determined that it can no longer process. Here is a diagram of transaction states. Transaction management. Transaction management refers to the task of processing multiple transaction issues by various clients of a database service in such a way that the ACID contract can be fulfilled. That is, the properties of atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability of each individual transaction can be guaranteed. Types of recovery tools. Transaction log. In the field of database, in computer science, a transaction log is a history of action executed by a database management system used to guarantee ACID properties over caches or hardware failures. What is checkpoint? The checkpoint is used to declare a point before which the DBMS was in the consistent state and all transactions were committed during transaction execution. Such checkpoints are traced after execution. Transaction log files will be created. Database backup. Database backup is the process of backing up the original operation states and sort data of database software. It enables the creation of a duplicate instance or copy of a database in case the primary database cache is corrupted or is lost. So this is all about a transaction. I hope you like it and thank you so much for watching.